बाबा आर यू स्टिल शॉक कि तूने अपना पूरा टूर सोल्ड आउट कर दिया?
पूरा टूर सोल्ड आउट नहीं है, ऑलमोस्ट सोल्ड आउट।
Hey, modest मत बन बाबा. Guys, thank you for the amazing response to Baba's show.
नहीं, मैं हैदराबाद का टिकट डाला है, प्लीज हैदराबाद। ये वाहियात क्या मतलब हैदराबाद में यार, आई डोंट नो व्हाई, प्लीज खरीद लो हैदराबाद।
This is literally Baba's Insta story for the last 1 week. बाबा ऐसा करता है. Delhi sold out. Bangalore is
because I can't even imagine.
दो टिकट है.
लेकिन फिर मैं
हैदराबाद प्लीज हैदराबाद प्लीज गुड़गांव क्या थोड़ा प्लीज.
अरे नो द फनीएस्ट थिंग
मत जाना हैदराबाद. कौन जाने बोल रहा था को मत जा.
द फनीएस्ट थिंग इज दैट लाइक मैं 3 दिन ये टिकट का स्टोरी डाला ना, तो मेरे को बहुत गिल्ट लगा कि मैं क्यों टिकट का स्टोरी डालूं। फिर मैं सोचा बेंच मेरा स्टोरी है, मैं क्यों डाल रहा हूं।
देखो गिल्ट क्यों हो रहा है? तो किसका अकाउंट यूज कर रहा था?
like why the fuck am I guilty about this? So then I was like yeah.
13 मार्च को शो हो रहा है and we are recording the show at Famous Studios. So guys, come on in and we're doing 2 shows back to back and very few tickets because बॉम्बे में बहुत मुश्किल होता है शूटिंग के लिए पब्लिक को बुलाना. So ले लो टिकट, अच्छा होएगा.
Hey, and 28th of Feb, 7th of March and 14th of March, I'm doing shows at Not So Famous Studios called Zoom. So उधर भी आ जाओ. और
guys, this is not the end of the episode. This is the fucking beginning.
I don't know.
एक सेकंड वरुण, बाबा एडिट करेगा ये, रुक.
नहीं ये ऊपर ही जाएगा, ये ऊपर जाएगा.
आधे लोग ट्यूना बोले 17 मिनट से खड़े, इन लोग शो ही बेच रहे अभी तक चालू नहीं किया, तो इसी बात पे चालू किया जाए. Hello and welcome to another episode of the Internet Set. So, a show where we take random interesting, shocking, weird facts, stats, trivia, and our personal stories, and we talk about it. And today's episode is the reason that this podcast happens. As in, like, without this topic, the podcast only wouldn't happen. And the topic is language.
Suspense दे रहा है bro.
Languages. एक language नहीं होता तो अपन क्या कर रहे होते?
Actually वो भी नहीं, mime भी क्यों कर रहा है? Mime is also some form of.
It's called sign language.
The sign language is different. अबे that is proper, right? There's अभी मैं कुछ भी कर रहा हूँ, मैं डमशराट खेल रहा हूँ बैठ के.
A B C D E F G.
I have no idea.
Baba, that's not a language.
L
that is a TikTok challenge, Baba.
N O P Q R.
Oh my God.
S. I think. Yes, I think.
Okay, Baba, we know you know it. We know.
Bro, इसलिए पिछले 2 हफ्ते से बाबा ये टॉपिक पेडल करते जा रहे हैं क्योंकि बाबा को फ्लेक्स करना है और रट के आया है. टॉपिक चालू होते ही A B C D कर रहा है.
अभी साइन लैंग्वेज किया था, उसके लिए मैंने बोला.
नहीं, मैं तो डमशराट खेल रहा हूँ, चूतियागिरी कर रहा हूँ मैं. थोड़ी मेरे को साइन लैंग्वेज आता है, चूतिया.
But I also know only one-handed sign language. I don't know the other one.
It'll be a very long conversation.
Polysyllabic sign language.
तो चल, when we like right at the start, tell me तुम लोग कितना लैंग्वेज बात कर सकते हैं?
बचपन में तुम लोग
तेरा फेवरेट लैंग्वेज क्या है?
Oh my.
What is the first language you remember speaking in? नहीं तो कितने पहले हम नहीं, I'm sure we all speak anyway more than one language, but कितना more?
Polylingual.
हाँ, polylingual. We are polyumbrical. कितना है?
This is a very Indian thing, by the way. Huh? Most cultures don't really have that multiple language. Indians have that massive advantage over everybody else, where we guarantee know at least 2 languages.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, like I think I know 2 languages. I know Hindi and English, and I can understand Marathi, but I don't have the confidence.
You don't have a choice to understand Marathi. देखो सीखना तो पड़ेगा ही ब्रो, महाराष्ट्र में रह रहा है तो.
नहीं, not just
अरे
that, because
सिद्धि से शादी किया तो.
अरे हाँ, ओ शिट, वो तो है.
That is the main thing ना.
अबे लेकिन सिद्धि से शादी करने के पहले जब कोई रोकता है पांडु तो मराठी नहीं बात किया तो तेरा
लाइसेंस बोलता है ब्रो.
नहीं,
अरे साहब जाओ दिया, मैं स्टूडेंट है क्या है.
हाँ, and whatever they say हो.
हाँ, या जेल मध्ये घालतो हो चल. अरे मैंने अग्री तो किया.
But I think that is just those are those phrases that you learn ना in every language. Like you go to any country and stuff. हम लोग इंडिया में तो सब लोग को पहले गाली सिखाते हैं, but I'm seeing in other countries.
और पहला चीज सीखना भी है तो गाली. मेरे को स्कूल में 7 से we started French, and the first thing all us idiots did was trying to find how to say fuck you in French. जो at वो time somebody said it's futrevu. ठीक है, it's of course it's not, but वो time पे 7th में देखो futrevu बोले तो अरे वाह futrevu, तो सबको
It
futrevu.
sounds correct.
It's
Yeah, it sounds
exactly it has a fuck you
The
vibe.
only part of that sentence that is right is "woo," which is you.
You, yeah.
You got-
No, only fuck you in that sentence is to the language of French.
Yeah.
In sign
and you
language
know-
also it is this.
And you know,
Nice.
some kid, okay, some kid called Anil Shinde has gone like futre
Futrevu.
sounds correct. It
Yeah.
sounds Marathi plus French.
It's onomatopoetically French.
फुतरे अबे कुछ भी आगे आले वो पाले वो ये सब कर दे, तू वो डाल दिया तो हो गया खत्म.
Ah,
मैंने वो डालना भी नहीं होता है. A lot of times when you're just saying ale ale ale, it's just go. It's just
Go.
ale,
It's actually
वो भी नहीं
coming.
होता है.
You know,
Ale,
like
ale, ale is coming.
No, that
you know
is
in
Marathi.
French.
वो आलो 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 वो मराठी है.
नहीं, ale, ale is plural also and with respect
Ale.
also.
तो स्पेनिश में आले 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 क्या होता है? उन दो फ्रेज आले आले आले.
No, that is how you tell a child to go to sleep. Ale, 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 ale.
Which child are you talking to? Oh fuck! Oh
You
shit!
know, ale,
By the way, Baba, 1 second. Now here is the problem. If you didn't know or understand the language, you wouldn't be able to tell me the doubt that I have in my head right now. तूने किया? ठीक है? You are holding the chin.
Yeah.
But you're doing for
अरे,
for
but
me.
that-
That's why I asked you. I said, "तू कौन से बच्चों के साथ chill कर रहा है and why are you doing this?" But that was the chin. Yeah.
Yes, it was. It was.
So I can understand Marathi because of Siddhi and state and everything. I can understand kind of Bihari because of grandmother and family and kind of thing.
Because you have to tell somebody sorry.
No. And I can understand Punjabi purely because of Bollywood music.
Yeah.
Like it's so much Punjabi I know just because I've heard songs. It's crazy, dude. Like all of Bollywood is not just Punjabi music. It's wild.
And you know Bihari because of Anurag Kashyap movies.
No, I know Bihari because my grandmother
Bihari
talks on the
because of
phone, and when she talks on the phone, everyone within a 30-kilometer radius knows Bihari.
Yeah.
Because that's how loudly she talks on the phone. Like it's crazy.
So I speak English, Hindi, Marathi, Sindhi. स्कूल में फ्रेंच सीखा. हाँ, मैं चारों बोलूँ. स्कूल में फ्रेंच
स्कूल
सीखा.
में फ्रेंच सीखा doesn't count. मैंने
अरे
सीखा है, but
तो
क्या ही
उसका
जानता है?
उसका हम लोग ने नया बना दिया है. तो लावे वू का मतलब मालूम है क्या है? लावे इज टू बेथ, आई थिंक, इफ आई एम नॉट मिस्टेकन. तो हम लोग अपने है ना, तो हम लोग उस पे बोलते थे अरे लावे वो मतलब दे, अरे ला इधर वैसे.
You
तो we
made
would
it
take
Gujarati.
we've taken
लावे.
French, mixed it with Hindi. अरे हाँ लावे वो तू खाएगा ये, हाँ लावे वो.
मेरे स्कूल
तू आवे वो, तू आ रहा है.
स्कूल की हिंदी फ्रेंच टीचर व्हाट यूज्ड टू डू आवर ट्यूशंस के लिए ना, तो लावे मतलब तुम साबुन लगा रहे हो तो लावे.
हाँ.
So that's how we learned how to have a bath wala verb.
Oh wow.
So
Dude,
लावे.
in
मैं
my French
हिंदी-
tuition, there's this kid who like from the first day of the tuition till the last day of the tuition, okay, the teacher tried to correct him every single day, and even at the end he said jama play. Okay. Jama play.
Dude.
Which is jamapel.
Yeah.
Well,
ये डाउनलोड वाला जहाँ माप ले.
One
आप
sec.
क्या
Have
काम
you
करते हैं? मैं
heard-
टेलर हूँ.
Have you heard Baba Segal's version of, I'm so sorry, but I have to bring this up. Have you heard Baba Segal's version of that Ed Sheeran song? That
Oh my.
which is
shape
that,
of you.
in that shape of, so it's called Tape of You. Okay. So
What?
it's
That sounds wrong.
Yeah.
Yes, because
I have
it
a
is-
tape of you. What?
It is exactly
Fucking
that. It
that's-
is मेरे पास है tape of you जो मैंने चुपचाप
And please
रिकॉर्ड
tell me-
की.
जो
मैंने चुपचाप
I
record
thought
की.
it was- I thought it
तेरी
was
बजेगी
literal.
टैटा
I
फिश.
was-
Okay.
क्या आदत?
And if you heard one sec, if you hear the whole song, it is basically about this girl who has fleeced Baba Segal of some money or something like that. Okay. मैंने तुम्हें so when the bridge of the song comes, which is that what, come on
When
my
the bridge
baby,
of the
come on,
song
come on.
comes, Baba Segal burns it.
So it says, come on baby, come on, that bridge of it. He has sung Jama Dahi Jama Jamma. Jama Dahi Jamma Jamma is what he has done.
Like, you know, there are times when I want to really understand the creative process that goes into creating amazing works of art. And then I hear this story.
It's called Tape of You, guys. Tape
आदर
of
क्या बोल
You.
रहा था?
हाँ नहीं, I thought he's going to take it literally कि उसके घर पे वो टेप छोड़ के गई है. because that is not beyond Baba Sehgal, where it's literally उसके हाथ में एक tape है, cello tape, and he's written a song about it.
No, मेरे पास
He's
है
done
tape
this.
of you जो मैंने चुपचाप रिकॉर्ड की.
See, like you could have said something else. Once you say जो मैंने चुपचाप record की, that's a FIR waiting to happen.
Yeah,
No,
that's
also-
straight up.
The man has taken a beautiful romantic song and made it into a horrifying ordeal. That's,
Correct.
I mean, that's something.
No,
Baba
he's
Sehgal.
also got amazing ones of it, like आलू का पराठा भालो उसमें थोड़ी मलाई डालो. I'm just saying, go to his channel. It's a treat. You can spend some time
Baba,
there.
Baba, tell me something.
No,
How big
I
of a
would
fan
not
are you?
recommend.
We
How
are not
big a fan are you,
recommending
Baba?
this on any level.
Of
Yeah.
Baba Sehgal.
Yeah.
I'm not a fan of. I'm not a big fan of Baba Sehgal. I
You
mean,
have memorized
in the
lyrics,
90s,
Baba.
everybody in the 90s, dude. How can you forget Jama Dahi Jamma Jamma?
Like I'll tell you how. Wait, I forgot about it.
Of course
what
you
is
don't.
it?
Ask me, and I don't know what.
I promise you that you will not forget about Jamma Dahi Jamma Jamma.
Hey, एक minute. Let's move on from giving Baba Sehgal Fugat publicity and get back to our topic.
Yeah.
Yeah,
his most
thank
famous
you.
song was written by my uncle. So
What?
आजा मेरी गाड़ी में बैठ जाओ was not
Oh.
him.
Nice.
Bolo.
नहीं तुम बोलो लैंग्वेज के बारे में.
Oh, so I speak Hindi, English, Marathi,
अरे नहीं बाबा, ये वाइवा नहीं है.
Gujarati. I also speak French flawlessly. You want to hear my French, guys?
Yeah, please.
So, where are you going from here?
तो उर्दू शायर जैसे अल्फाज क्यों निकलने वाला है?
I can do a better job. One second. What I'm saying is, my name is Neville. That is my French, guys. That is flawless French.
Also, Baba.
Your name is Neville.
No. Other. It is my version of French. It is not
Acha,
real
Tatti.
French. It is not
Okay,
real French. I have
basically.
not claimed that it is real French.
You should hear Baba's Russian. Baba's
What?
Russian is just I will shoot you.
No, Baba's Russian is only one line, which is
I will shoot
What?
you.
yeah,
That's the
no,
fucking line.
no, it's not. I will
Is-
shoot you. It is vaccine. It is that vaccine line. What was it?
Oh God,
It is,
okay.
yeah, you want
Baba,
vaccine? No,
अरे
bol.
वो तो do you want the vaccine? No,
No,
shoot.
I can't do accent. I can't do accent.
Once you
That's
dead,
the-
you don't have corona. That was the thing. That's vaccine.
Okay. So, all right. Any guesses for what is the most common language in the world?
common language.
Spanish now,
Spanish,
So,
apparently.
according
or
to,
is going to become. It was on the way.
so according to Yuko.com, okay.
UCO Bank.
No, just YUQO.
Oh, okay.
Which published this article in 2018. It says that English is the most common language with over 171,000 words in its dictionary, and it's spoken in numerous countries. Chinese is the most commonly used language, followed by Spanish.
Yeah. So Spanish is going to overtake English, or if not already has. If it hasn't already, wow. Language, guys, language. But you know, like
How many languages do you think there are in the world?
about in the world.
Yeah,
in the world, I
I mean,
don't
about
know, but I know-
5,000.
No, yeah.
Close.
Yeah,
yeah.
5 to 10,000.
It's 7,000.
7,000, I think.
Yeah.
Wow.
But these
But-
are
But
spoken.
that's languages or dialects?
No, so 7,000 languages. Over half are variations on an original language.
Yeah.
So these are referred to as dialects. This variation is dependent on factors like the area of a country or cultural influences.
Correct.
Surprisingly, nearly half of all languages don't possess a written form.
Yeah.
So आधे languages बहुत ही lazy और
But you know, from the 7,000 languages, almost 1/3 are spoken in Africa.
interesting.
Yeah.
Possible.
A third of them,
Very possible.
yeah.
But
Yeah,
do you know
a
that
third
do
of
you know
them.
the country? Do you know the country which speaks the most number of languages?
Which?
It is
India.
Oh, no.
India.
no
India.
Papua
That's
New
fact,
Guinea,
right?
guys. Papua New Guinea.
How?
Yes.
How is it
I
possible?
really
How many do they
India.
speak?
Not possible.
Papua New Guinea.
I
I'm
call-
telling you,
I call bluff.
it has the most language. I'm telling you.
Arey, but how is it possible?
बाबा
How
तू
can I
memory
copy?
कर रहा है कि
No.
based in
Papua-
facts?
If Papua New Guinea has to speak more
There
languages
are
than India,
839 living languages spoken in the country.
Dude, that
It is
means that
linguistically-
every person there is speaking a
They're
different
speaking
language.
their own language.
Yeah.
Each
not
person is
understanding
speaking
each
their
other.
own language.
No, no, no. So there is.
Hi,
there
how
is-
you want to come home? Ile, 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 ile.
It's a- it's
No,
a-
no,
it's a-
you-
Ile,
it's a-
ile, 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 ile.
It's also
No, no, no.
because-
No, no,
it's
no,
If
no.
you
also
are from
because-
Papua New Guinea, we are sorry for Varun's
by the way, वहाँ पे
description
Uber
of
book-
your.
No, no, I'm not saying Papua New
Guys,
अबे
one second.
800 अलग लैंग्वेज अगर सब लोग
No,
खुद
I'm
की
saying
लैंग्वेज
it's
बात कर रहे
800
हैं
and it's 832 languages, not even dialects, guys, because Papua New Guinea geographically is a melting pot for a lot of like things. So even in the German, they've got like Creole German and not like not Creole German and things like that. So as a result, there are 839 spoken languages in Papua New Guinea.
What I loved about Varun's act out of Papua New Guinea is he started with the language and ended with the ringtone. Like they was just doing papa papa.
Bro, if you're saying that every person in the country is speaking his own language, तो फिर कुछ भी चला ना आवाज आ रही है
Once,
Or-
why do you
Dude,
think?
like imagine like already it's so tough to book an Uber. Now everybody is talking a different language. How tough is it to actually give a person the
Guys,
address?
I just want to say there are
Chillan.
8 million
Huh.
people in Papua.
not 839 people in Papua.
Yeah.
Oh,
There's
nice.
8 million people.
Oh, no.
So as a result, there are more people than languages. So
Okay,
it's
cool.
But if those 839 specific people who speak 839 specific languages
Yeah,
end
met
up
at a
in the
bus stop.
same room
what is
Or
this? An
on a
episode
flight.
Of fucking, what
On a
is this,
flight.
episode of Loss.
No, Baba, this is an episode of Zaban Samhal Ke. Remember
Yeah.
that show?
yeah
Okay, so I want to take you guys through some interesting Hindi language facts, which I have found on. Ready?
only Hindi language facts.
Yeah, so this is, and I found this on languagecourses.uk.co.uk.
Who better than the British to tell us?
Because
So-
they remember when they tried to kill off the language, right? So
तो उन लोग इतना रिसर्च कर लिया कि अभी उन लोग सब मालूम है उनको. But it's too late. 70 years too late.
Okay, so Hindi is spoken by 366 million people across the world. And that is at least 66 million people less than the number of people on Geo right now.
For sure.
Okay, and Hindi, by the way, it's interesting. Hindi is one of India's official languages and is mostly spoken in the northern half of India. Hindi is also spoken in Mauritius, Fiji, Guyana, Suriname, Trinidad and Tobago, and Nepal. English has
Yeah.
borrowed a great number of words from Hindi. Can you guys think of some examples?
Yes. Shampoo,
Yeah.
pajama, bungalow. There's way
Guru.
too many of them. Guru. There's way too
It's
many.
my
Guru.
guru. Yo,
But
guys.
क्या बंगलो हिंदी वर्ड है?
Bungalow is Hindi.
bungalow is always a Hindi word.
Bangla.
Bungalow.
अच्छा हाँ वैसे derivative correct sorry sir.
Yeah,
My
it is a
bad.
derivative.
Yeah.
Even shampoo is from Hindi only.
Now, each letter of the Hindi alphabet has its own independent and distinct sound. As a result, Hindi words are pronounced exactly as they are written, making the Hindi language easy to learn. So it doesn't have words like, how in English you have enough, where the
Yeah.
G is not
GH.
pronounced. Yeah.
That's the beauty about Hindi, right? The way it's written is exactly the way it's pronounced. Hindi, Marathi is just so
I don't think it's just
correctly
that,
written.
No, Marathi is except l.
Yeah.
No, so also in Hindi versus English, I just want to say like
Hmm.
I just think that a lot of times like I wish I had learned Hindi and like Urdu or whatever. Just poetically, it's so much more emphatic and so much more like articulate because while there are words and all that, but like I think metaphors and things like that are told so much are told like so beautifully in Hindi or Urdu if you learn the language very well. Like there are 35 odd words for love in Hindi for the word
Yaar,
love.
Ishq, mohabbat.
Yeah, and they're all
Pyar,
different.
ishq,
Like there's
mohabbat.
all of that, right? Like there's chahana.
But
And there's-
ishq,
like all of
ishq is clearly an Urdu word, I think. But I think
yeah,
Hindi
so I'm saying
adapts and
Hindustani, which
accepts
is a
faster.
combination of both.
All
like,
these
sort of
languages.
Well,
Hindustani
lyricist
poetry
Samir-
is a
The lyricist Samir
Lyricist
has probably
Samir.
added all 35 of those words. If
No,
I'm
no,
not
And he's not lyricist Samir. He is lyrics by
Lyrics
Samir.
by
Lyrics
Samir,
by
yeah.
Samir.
yeah lyrics
And
by
before
Samir.
that, lyrics
Not even by,
Samir.
it's just lyrics Samir.
Samir.
Yeah,
Samir.
but I just want to say lyrics by Samir added words like and all that. Those don't count as words. Those are just sounds to
Hmm.
help
Oh,
you
bah.
rhyme the last syllable.
Some of them really capture the emotion.
Like samosa.
Yeah.
Jab tak
By the way,
rahega samose mein aloo.
But
So,
Baba really acing it with this episode of languages. पहले दही, अभी समोसा, और क्या है बाबा? जलेबी कब बोल रहे हैं?
guys, please इसके
There is
और
a song,
tickets
ना?
खरीदो इसके shows के और खरीदो.
हाँ,
This is-
ये सब नहीं है।
हैदराबाद डोंट बाय टिकट्स, नहीं तो फिर उधर दही, समोसा.
मैं ये
समोसा,
काट रहा हूँ गाइस, मैं
ये-
टाइम कोड लिख के ये काट रहा हूँ.
fuck off,
उर्दू-
बाबा
उर्दू
तू
के
काम
नाम
नहीं
से-
करेगा मेरे को पता है.
Acha, since we're on the topic, what is the most extensive alphabet? What language has the most number of alphabets, like the ABCD? What is the
Okay,
Right,
guys,
most number
for
of
one,
letters.
yes, that's my
Letters
biggest
of
pet
the
peeve.
alphabet.
If you play like a game where you have अभी तू स्क्रैबल बोल या कुछ भी बोल, उसमें पब्लिक लेटर को अल्फाबेट बोलते हैं ना, मुझे बहुत गुस्सा आता है. और मैं वो चूतिया हूँ जो हमेशा बोलता हूँ लेटर.
Guys, letter.
And then they look at me like, you know, yeah, that's what I mean.
And
Yeah.
Varun is not a grammar Nazi otherwise, huh? It's
At
just
all.
this.
Yeah.
It's for this. It's for this. अबे मैं लावेवू बोल रहा हूँ चूतिया, मैं क्या हूँ? जावेवू बोल रहा हूँ मैं. But तू लेटर को अल्फाबेट मत बोल बस. हाँ, go on.
So
Other.
what language in the world has the most extensive alphabet?
German. No, not German.
No, German has the most longest words, but I'm sure they don't have.
Give
It's
give
not-
what-
it's
The
not
most
the
number of
European
letters
because-
you're saying, no?
On the eastern side of India.
Eastern side of India.
मतलब not India, but like a country on that
Okay,
side,
okay,
not
country
on
on
the
that side.
European and American. हाँ.
Is it Chinese?
नहीं, तू जा
Mandarin?
चुका है वहाँ पे. तू जा
Russia?
चुका है. नहीं, you've been to that country, Southeast Asian country, but you're Kautuk.
Is it like
Yeah,
Vietnamese
Thailand.
or something? Like
तेरी दादी को हार्ट अटैक कहाँ पे हुआ था?
Cambodia.
Cambodia?
हाँ,
Cambodia.
Cambodian has 74 characters in their alphabet.
Wow.
Nuts.
74.
But you know,
What
पहले
is
से
the
is
what is the language called?
is it a part of any language group?
Khmer
नहीं,
it's called,
I
right?
think-
Khmer, no?
हाँ,
Khmer, yeah.
Khmer.
नहीं, imagine
Khmer.
उन लोग का ABCD सॉन्ग कितना लंबा होगा. चलते जा.
Meaning तू
बेटा,
KG में
सुनाओ,
start
सुनाओ,
करेगा,
सुनाओ.
second standard में end होएगा.
But you know, like historically, सबसे ज़्यादा obviously you have 7,000 languages at the present moment, but a large part of them are also grouped right into different language groups basis shared grammar or sounds. You know, these are the
Like
ways in which they
derivative
would,
languages and stuff. Like the oldest
Yeah,
language,
yeah.
is the fight between Tamil and Sanskrit will always continue.
Yeah,
which
but-
came first, which came second?
But isn't correct me if I'm wrong, Neville? Aren't all Hindi languages a derivative of Sanskrit? No, that's not true with
Not
Tamil and all.
Hindi. Tamil is a derivative of Sanskrit.
Yeah, so
and
all of them are.
so where is Hindi in this?
Hindi is Urdu and Hindi.
Baba say Tamil again.
Tamil.
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 Mas-
Tamil.
That's correct pronunciation.
Yeah, hitting
Yeah.
the
Tamil. Malayalam.
Yeah, but I'm just saying that the point is that the TAM, so that Varun doesn't make fun of me anymore, but TAM is actually.
You think I would make fun of Tam?
Tam is much worse, Baba.
Yeah,
Tamil
Tamil
was
is great.
You had
but
something that
Tamil was
actually
correct.
you
I
made
was saying
a
Tamil
shitty-
correctly, except
short
Varun
form.
can't stand that somebody is saying Tamil correctly. Fuck you, Varun. There are 26
Oh.
alphabets in the English language.
But you know, the most spoken language group around the world is the Indo-European. That's what I found out right now. Indo-European.
With as limited information as Varun could give us a fact.
Yeah.
Yes,
What does that mean though? What does
That's what I'm reading as I speak. It said the most spoken language today is Indo-European, spoken by half the world's population. The entire group, ranging from Hindi and Persian to Norwegian and English,
okay.
is believed to descend from the language of a tribe of nomads roaming the plains of Eastern Europe and Western Asia, as recently as 3000 BC. Ain't shit.
Bro, can you?
Oh,
no, but
wow.
just
Is the
imagine.
Bachchat also there?
No,
Of course it
BC.
is. No, it is
अरे
part of
दिमाग
the
में तो-
Indo-European languages.
Yeah.
But can you imagine the nomads, dude? There must have been like a small tribe of them, like 12, 13,
Hmm.
14, how many ever of them, right? And they're talking, and they're like, one day, सब लोग यही
उधर
बोलेंगे.
कंपटीशन यही चल रहा होगा. तू बना एक, चल रुकना मैं भी बनाता हूँ अभी. सब लोग
Joint
बना
बना रहे क्या?
जॉइंट नहीं, लैंग्वेज बना रहे. You know who Jackie Shroff when he did Maushi Chigan said ये language कौन बनाया लेके है उसको मेरे
Can I tell you the lamest language? Can I tell you the lamest language that we sort of invented in school? Because in school you used to try to do these like
Pig
sly. No, not wappa tappa you put dupuing in, not that kind of stuff. So there was this basically there was this language which we had created, which was like this. Okay, so it was basically A B C D E F G H I or whatever, right? So if you wanted to write the letter A, you would
so you have
you
to
would
do
sort
a
of
line.
yeah,
the
you would do
line.
this. This was A. Okay, and
Okay.
it's so lame because if you had to write I love you, which was the only reason you learned this language, you would have to write it so long because it's one letter is this, one letter is this is A.
But
it was a fucking
Bawa,
nightmare.
this is the lamest way to play tic-tac-toe. Like that is the fucking worst X and zeros I've ever seen in my life.
One sec, y'all don't know this at all? None of y'all know this language?
I know this, and I just want to like point out like since language has come in, now we want to always the cryptography of it, just the way to not let other people understand or be privy to your conversation. And this was like एक वो Benedict Cumberbatch की भी picture आई थी about the imitation game.
Imitation game, yeah.
The sheer
That's
how
interesting.
much effort we put into the fact so that people don't understand a certain
No, you
message.
want only your people to understand ना. You don't want
Exactly,
nobody to not
exactly.
understand. सब लोग
So-
कुछ तो लिख रहा है समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. Sir code है वो.
Correct. So kitna like the coding of it, how much do we like since language came out about 100, this is believe 100,000 BC. That's where the anthropologists and these guys have
100,000
discovered.
BC?
Cannot be, yeah.
100,000 BC. Yeah, that's how far back it evolved in Africa
Must have
with
been a
modern
primitive
skull
language.
shapes. Yeah, so vocal cords. They are looking from the point of vocal cords and
Yeah.
vocalization. So that's
Because-
what they're figuring.
There is, by the way, in case you guys want to check this out, there's a book called
One sec.
Ideas.
Once
Okay, one second, Bawa, one second,
100,000
one second.
BC, fucking
He's-
what?
He's right.
Yeah.
So there's a book called
100,000
Ideas.
BC.
In Ideas, they talk about, so language is also an idea, right? Like the idea of speaking and communicating, because the way
You had written languages before that.
not written, this is purely primitive like vocalization. So the vocal cords when they developed,
Correct.
right? And the minute you could start communicating, suddenly language had an impact on your brain. So your brain also expanded because of the language you were capable of using. Because once you had language, you could have social
Correct. ये उसमें भी था ना where
cooperation.
like, and language also not just for your brain but your entire future generations that came in now, because you were able to say, listen, light fire, otherwise tiger will come eat you, for example, something as basic as that, right? That helped future generations. So a lot of it is credited to language, even though written form was there, but with that
So the written form, this was again in the book Ideas. I forget who the author is, but check this book out. About written language, he was saying ki, written languages came about because of commerce. The first written records were about how much kheti was done, right? So,
Yeah.
so when cities were formed, so you had to keep track of who owed who money in form of taxes. So so written language was created, and that evolved into passing down information of other kinds.
yeah.
So now the interesting thing is human beings are capable of the written form of language, which means that we can communicate across time. So you are still reading Shakespeare, who wrote 500 years ago. This is time travel
Four-
in a sense.
400.
So so now the thing is, the analogy they used was that ducks in a park, right? They figure out that when people come and throw bread, you should go to that spot because bread is nice and tasty, right? But
Right.
ducks can only communicate from one generation to another. So eventually the chain breaks, and so ducks forget that you can go to that spot to collect bread. But human beings, because we write these things down, we are like ये written hai. It's written in the thing ki go to that spot
Yeah.
because it's amazing bread.
Or you think ducks get confused because they're like quack 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 quack
Quack.
quack quack quack.
Yeah, are these ducks in Papua New Guinea?
Yeah.
Not getting.
But you know, then you had
Shaking his head. Huh.
Continue.
Then you had.
no. I was talking about after तेरा जो Indo-European language group हो गया था ना, you had the Semitic languages spoken across what you had, the Assyrians, the Hebrews, Phoenicians, all of them speaking that language, which essentially the people who we were talking about earlier spread across Northern Europe, Mediterranean shores of the Atlantic, and that's where other sort of languages came about, which is whatever you're seeing right now is essentially not a handing down, but like a version of those languages spoken for generations. और फिर उसके बाद तो जितना conquest कर रहा है, then it starts spreading even more. So you had the Greeks, the Egyptians, then you had Romans. So suddenly language is not limited to what groups you had earlier. Every small pocket was then deriving from something they knew and creating a complete fourth one. So that was quite cool.
For example, dude, the word for mother, the m sound, ma, mom, all of this, it's across so many languages, so many countries, it's the same. So it has the same sort of like birthing point. So that's it basically you can trace history just through going back through language, like a catalog, like blockchain. So okay.
Okay. By the way, since we're talking about like going back, there are about 200 languages that have been invented that are artificial languages. And by artificial, I mean it has been created by one individual, not over time. Like English has been created over time and adapted.
Not if you were William Shakespeare, because that man created 1700 words.
Yeah, so that man created words and added to the English language. But Tolkien invented 13 languages for his book. So there's 200 languages, out of which 13 are just created by Tolkien.
अरे फिर अपने पास ये भी तो है
Dwarfish.
Game of Thrones में Valerian, वो सब भी तो है.
There's also
Dothraki.
But I don't know if you can learn it. Like you can, like I think Dothraki is a language that they figured out.
But they properly made it. Like they have proper grammar.
Klingon, etc. You can learn.
Yeah, you can learn it over time. So these are fake artificial languages that have been created over time. So like a lot of them have been done just for like inducing conversation about like what, like about from like,
Tolkien.
Like how important is it? Like you can pretty much just invent a language, and over time, if it gets popular enough, it becomes canon.
Like there's that fun fact about Dothraki, right? Where in the office, Dwight is talking Dothraki, and the way the writers wrote it, it was so perfect that the guy who is the official, whatever, the keeper of the dictionary, keeper of the dictionary of Dothraki, he's like, oh, that was so innovative, we've added it to the language.
Oh, really?
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Fun fact.
Here's a made-up word for another made-up language. Crazy.
So in India has 122 major languages and up to 1,599 other languages. So 122 major.
But languages की ये भी dialect में घुस गया है.
नहीं. So 122 major languages. The criteria is that it has to be spoken by more than 10,000 people. 10,000 is a lot. And
pretty big number.
India has 22 scheduled languages. Okay, so the Indian Constitution recognizes 22 of these languages as scheduled languages. These languages are used by state and local governments. Additionally, the Indian government is required to protect them and encourage their development. These 22 languages are Assamese, Bengali, Bodo, Dogri, Gujarati, Hindi, Kannada, Kashmiri, Konkani, Maithili, Malayalam, Manipuri, Marathi, Nepali, Odia, Punjabi, Sanskrit, Santali, Sindhi, Tamil, Telugu, and Urdu.
तो सभी हो गया ना. These are the major languages. What about like
these are the major ones in which like official communication is done, and then you have like dialects and like what's it called? Bhojpuri is not on the list. So Bhojpuri is an Indo-Aryan language spoken in the northeastern India and Terai region of Nepal. It is chiefly spoken in western Bihar and eastern Uttar Pradesh. It is considered as a dialect. Is considered one of several Hindi dialects.
Correct. Okay.
So it doesn't make it into the official.
But across the world, globally, like for any language to become, they call the term that they use is called the lingua franca, right? Which is the most commonly spoken language across the globe, not just a region. Like Mandarin speakers will outnumber English speakers at some point, but it's spoken only majorly in a region in the world, right? So you've had everything from French to now English. It's got so much to do with colonialism, obviously, that you're going to different parts of the world, taking over land. They have native languages, but तू उस पे अपना भी घुसा दिया. Like Vietnam में तू French बात कर सकता है properly. Right?
हाँ,
You know what I mean?
because
Like,
of-
so
Yeah, the same thing with Pondicherry. The same
Pondicherry,
thing with Goa may also the Portuguese influence.
Portuguese.
So there
yeah,
is so much.
yeah.
You know what is terribly sad about about countries that are so multilingual and and across the board have it. Like for example, uh, in India there are about I can't remember exactly, but I mean we can Google it. But there's about almost 200 languages that are endangered, that
Yeah.
are just going to disappear from the face of the earth. Like no one will speak them in a couple of years or in a couple of decades. And that is just, it's like extremely like sad that an entire language has to disappear. And the problem is, it's not just, some of them are not spoken in just like India. They're also spoken, say, in Pakistan or China or Bangladesh or whatever. But they're so desperately like in danger that you don't, they probably will not think. In fact, there was
But
an article.
do you not think that we are trying to achieve, like as a species, wouldn't you think that we will ultimately want to achieve that perfection of one codified language? Because that is where you would want to end up at. So you will lose a lot of stuff along the way, right? It doesn't mean you forget about it. You codify it, it becomes part of our history. You don't erase it from history, but you would ultimately, we would want
Yeah,
the entire
but
species
I
to
just
speak
think
one
that
language.
if you look at it honestly, there is a sense of people talking in a language as opposed to reading and just having literature in that language, because over a period of time you're not going to have people um, who are I don't want to say the word experts, but who are like, there's a lot is said in context and a lot is said in the, and that gets lost. And it's
So,
pretty sad that you end up just losing languages, because
Baba,
I think globally we've
But it's also
extentified.
tied. It's tied to your culture, your history, your heritage. You know,
Yeah.
so you don't want to let go of that. Everybody being
Of course.
common makes you sort of lose sense of, array, what is unique about me?
Correct.
And
Correct.
also, you want to bitch about people and not have them understand what you're
No,
saying.
no, listen, no, that's that, हाँ, वो तो बहुत मजा आता है. But like I'm talking like about 500 years from now, it will naturally, I think, tend to happen. Like I think one of the best movies that discussed language in this in a very
Arrival.
beautiful way was Arrival.
Oh, superb.
Yeah, the way they actually discuss language, like at times they have no distinguish. They can't distinguish between tool and a gun. Because for them it is pretty much the same thing. So for us to misinterpret it is very likely. And their language was cyclical because they didn't really say things out. So it's just
no,
it's very beautiful way to.
the interesting thing that was there in Arrival as well, and what Baba was talking about is, like, when you lose a language, you not only you lose custom, heritage, tradition, but you also lose a mode of thinking, because language is the language you think in is the way you think almost.
Yeah.
Like, there are
Yeah.
some languages that, like, this is the
That lend itself to poetry better versus
not just that, not just that.
No,
Like,
it's
for
not just
example,
that.
like
Conceptually, concepts
Yeah,
exist in certain
so this is the
languages more.
anthropology of language, where, like, where they found some tribes where they didn't have words for tomorrow, for example. So they just didn't think about tomorrow because they
Wow,
don't have the fucking word
they
for
have
it.
the least amount of procrastinators in them.
Yeah.
कभी
No,
करेंगे
but they're
today.
going, yeah, but they're
अभी
going
कर रहे
today.
हैं.
We'll do it today.
Today.
Why aren't you doing it?
Are you
Today
are you
we'll do
sure you can do it? No, today only. Today. Are you sure you don't want to take a few days? No, today.
it. No. He's like, what do you mean few days?
नहीं, when the sun goes down, when the sun goes down and comes up, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Today.
No, it's called now. Later.
No.
No, but I agree with you. Like there is sorry, I'm going to quote Sorkin from a Sorkin episode here. Like in Korean, for example, there is a word called Han. Okay, HAN, Han. All right. Now the
He's a
actual
DJ of
meaning.
Linkin Park.
Now you can't there's no direct translation for the word, right? But it as a result, it's a concept for us in English, right?
So
The
what does it mean?
concept is it is that it is that it is a sadness of it is a type of sadness. It's a state of being of sadness so deep that even tears won't come, but yet there is hope. Now,
Wow.
as a
Hard.
as a deep dark concept, if you try to, there is no word for this in the English language, and that's what you end up losing. Like if Korean was becoming extinct, you would lose the brevity or and that's what you lose when you start losing languages. Like I think globally we've lost some 2,300 languages or something like that.
You're saying to be able to, so by brevity you mean like to be able to explain a concept in the fewest words possible.
No.
Sometimes
and
it
to
lends
think of
better
the
to certain
concept
languages.
and to
Yeah.
have the concept.
Explain it in the best way.
Dude,
Like
for
to
example-
have that nuance also attached to it. That nuance I think is very important, and it's like language ka. There are times where if you didn't have different languages, certain nuances would just not come out. Like what I try and speak in English will never be the same of what I try and do in Hindi. With
Okay,
Hindi,
And that's
I'll be.
true.
The best example of this is like, have you ever, and this is a common experience, right? When you have like an Indian dish and you see a Western recipe list of it, right? Or a Western, like an English description of the dish, it doesn't even come close
Yeah.
to what the thing is, right? Like Varun's joke was.
Flattened rice flakes with robust Indian spices.
Exactly.
नहीं आता.
And also like for example,
You need कांदे पोहे. Straight up, you know क्या है इसमें कांदा है और इसमें पोहा
They
है.
are
Wow.
pohe.
like Varun, you know the word amti, right?
Amti, yeah.
Yeah.
Amti. Okay, so just describe amti.
Lentil soup with robust Indian
No,
spices.
one sec. No. I'll tell you what. Explain Amti with all the words you have.
Yeah,
Hindi, English,
हाँ.
with all the words you have,
Mm.
except for the word Amti. Try to explain Amti.
दाल का
दाल जैसा है, लेकिन
दाल
like
जैसा
go for it.
सूप है,
रस्सा type.
दाल पानी के साथ थोड़ा खट्टा,
रसम का टेस्ट
थोड़ा एक मस्त गरम. अरे चावल लेके आओ जरा, खाना है मुझे आमटी
So
बात.
I'm just saying that.
served with several herbs and spices.
So I'm just saying
Herbs,
that
herbs.
so as a result,
Herbs
you
भी
end
नहीं
up,
बोल सकते साला. Herbs.
no, you end up losing a lot. Like for example, even in like off late, I've been reading transcriptions of Urdu poetry and things like that. Okay, so because I fucking don't
Baba's
understand
midlife
Urdu.
crisis is so strange.
No. I was just reading it. Yeah, I mean, it's
no, I'm
like
just making fun of you for
तेरे को बहुत टाइम मिल रहा है आजकल. बहुत टाइम मिल रहा है.
time.
Khalil
नहीं. So
Gibran
I'm-
पढ़ रहा है बैठ
I've
के.
always been I've always been fascinated. I've always read and stuff, but I've just like gotten deeper. Anyway, the
तुम इतना
point is-
तकल्लुफ क्यों उठा रहे हो? अपने तशरीफ पे बैठे हो लगता है पूरे दिन खामखा.
so disappointed in all of us and the anti-intellectual strain in this
Ah,
podcast.
sorry. Baba, continue.
No. So I'm saying like again there, for example, there's a lot of concepts. Like if you read even Toba Tek Singh, either you've performed Toba Tek Singh or no. But I'm
No,
saying
I've
even
not
if you
performed
read
Toba
Toba
Tek
Tek Singh,
In
I
its
thought he
original.
had because I remember there was something which
Ah.
was for Toba Tek Singh.
On the
But
original
I'm-
scroll that Manto had written in his own. with
But I'm
his
saying
own
again,
handwriting.
there are words that he uses and descriptions that he uses that define the state that
Yeah.
that he was in, which is only a state that
fucking-
you could have described in that sort of language, right? Like let me give this to you. Like a country that is that has barren land, that has absolutely no agriculture, will never understand the word harvest in isolation.
Yeah.
In isolation, they will never understand the word harvest, and I think that that's really why you need language, and
You know, there's that section. I love that section in Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy so much.
I think I know.
Oh.
There's a character who everywhere he goes, there is a rain cloud that follows him. Okay, so because he has just seen rain all his life, he's got different words for rain,
Yeah.
and he likens it to the Inuits, people who live in the North Pole.
Which is actually taken from Hawaii, because Hawaii has 200 words for rain.
Yeah, and Inuits have 72 or something words for snow. So because they see snow so often, they have learned how to categorize snow in a way that none of us would be even able to observe it. So they're like
Yeah.
light snow, slightly aisa where you can slip on it snow, snow that
Sleet.
comes on your, yeah, it falls on your face and it condenses snow. Like, you know, it's all sorts of snow that they've just observed because they live there.
But I think we can do that with sweat.
Yes.
Uh,
Yes. And different types of potholes, because I can identify at least 70.
Yeah. Dude, I'm
Also-
saying, imagine, how much does it rain in Hawaii that they have 200 words for rain, dude?
अरे bro, how sad it is that we have so many ways to describe sweat. अपने इधर कितना गंदा.
I mean, honestly,
हमारा
you'll
ज़्यादा
be like,
खराब है।
नहीं वो दिल्ली वाली गर्मी नहीं है, बॉम्बे वाली गर्मी है.
Just categorize 5 types of sweat. Chal.
एक वो है जो तेरे नेप ऑफ योर नेक से चालू होता है और सीधा बम पे
But
तक
no,
जाता
no,
है.
Varun, he's talking
वो
about.
वो पूरा
talking
दिन
about
लेता है
word.
कभी कभी.
हाँ.
वो
He's talking about
slowly
word.
जा रहा है.
He's talking
No,
about
no,
a
no,
word.
no. Even if you can categorize it, it's good. But what would you call it? Chal, if you had to give it one word, we'll actually have coined a word if you can give it a name.
Uh,
Neck would be
Neck
gala
to
no,
crack.
no, it's the
a neck
nape.
to crack.
It's not even the
galant sweat, dude. Galant.
It
गलांड.
goes from the
It's
gala to
gala.
the gand.
Gala to your gala. It's a galant sweat.
अरे गला ये हुआ. इधर
This is
से
the
नहीं
nape.
जाना.
This is the nape.
नेप को क्या बोलते हैं हिंदी में? देख नहीं मालूम.
नहीं मालूम. I can.
अरे
look
वो
it up.
पीछे है
certain
ना.
words that don't really
वो
exist.
पीछे.
I'm good with galant.
गलांड.
I think it's called dub.
Okay.
No.
Dabba like that.
Dub.
No, but गलांड is good.
गला
Okay,
अच्छा है, हाँ.
listen to this, okay? There,
Galant and
like
Haaland.
the French have a phrase for this feeling, okay? Have you ever felt like, you know, you're in an argument with someone and then you leave the argument, and when you've left the argument, suddenly you've thought of something that would have been so fucking amazing if you had said it in the
Yes.
argument.
Oh yeah, we also have it. We're like,
In the-
अरे
in the-
बेंचोद.
No, but the French have it
I was
because
gonna
they're
go
so
with क्या चूतिया हुआ.
non-confrontational.
Yeah.
So
French are non-confrontational. What world are you living in, Baba?
in the context of geopolitical stereotypes and jokes.
ab or not.
Yeah.
हाँ.
So the French word expression for this is esprit de l'escalier, which is literally wit of the staircase, which means that
Oh, I thought it meant मैं क्या चूतिया हूँ.
so, so it denotes a retort or remark that occurs to a person after the opportunity to make it has passed. It originally referred to a witty remark coming to mind on the stairs leading away from a social gathering, which is why
Wow.
wit of the staircase.
Wow. But let's say वैसे तो even we have like and in Hindi
Yeah.
we do that, and we've done that a lot in ads. Like for example, if I tell you Karram Kurrum.
No,
देखो
but
lit-
that's
देखो
onomatopoeia.
देखो
That's onomatopoeia. That's
वे
very
हाँ
different.
Oh,
ठीक
by
है
the way,
यार
it's-
फिर भी.
No,
So
but
different.
No,
in
but if you're
every
talking about
country.
conceptual words, I think some of them, the Japanese have coined these, which are just outstanding. Okay, they're like they're poetic and they're visually outstanding. I'll just tell you a couple.
Yeah.
Okay, I apologize for my pronunciation of Japanese in.
To all our Japanese
हाँ,
fans.
तो वाला Japanese listeners.
आएगा तो.
Baba.
आएगा
In case
तो.
he has to sell
So
tickets
there's.
somewhere.
I'm going to take
Yeah,
you through.
guys,
I'm
please
gonna,
जापान में थोड़ा टिकट खरीद लेना.
जापान
हाँ बाबा बिगड़ा नहीं है जापान में क्योंकि उन लोग हिंदी नहीं बोलते जापान में.
क्योटो में ticket.
कौन से prefecture में perform कर रहा है बा?
Acha, so Sunna. Okay, so I'm going to take you through 12 Japanese words that have like beautiful meanings. Okay, so the first one is Shinrin Yoku. Okay, Shinrin Yoku means
My favorite ramen.
it means forest bath, which is taking a walk in the forest for its restorative benefits. So it's not actually bathing in the forest. It's just,
इधर तो अपन चालू हो जाते हैं.
then this is cause you love this,
bushy
and I have a
dam.
feeling. And I have a feeling you've read this in a Murakami somewhere. It's called
I find this book. This is the dumbest ending I have ever seen to a book. I don't know. Prove me wrong. If this is the
No,
dumbest
there are.
ending you have ever read.
There are
Again, all our Japanese fans, we are very, very sorry.
No. Wait, 1
and our
minute.
literary fans.
There are many ones. There's one which is that who is that that bird aeroplane that self-help writer? What's his name?
Kashmiri.
Word aeroplane. Self-help.
No. Self-help.
Self-help. Who the fuck
Yeah.
is-
Shiv Khera.
Robert Louis Livingston.
Shiv Khera.
Livingston Seagal. Yeah.
Livingston Seagal, whatever.
Yeah.
That ending. Oh my God.
वो
Oh.
action hero है वो Steven Seagal.
Okay. So wait, komorebi is sunlight filtered through tree leaves.
Hmm.
Oh,
That is komorebi.
Hmm.
Then there is. Okay, I found how I'm going to live on this planet.
Wait,
It's called kui da ore. Okay.
Oh, wait, let me
ore.
guess. If you are living like this, that means in a constant state of depression and despair. No, then?
Eating yourself into bankruptcy.
Oh, great. Okay.
So that's also very much Baba.
yeah. That's my second one.
Okay, and then the favorite, and this is the favorite word for Kautuk for sure. It's tsundoku, and tsundoku is buying books and letting them pile up unread.
Arey, Baba. क्या
Bro,
बताऊं
फिर
मैं?
वो my actually sorry Baba to not rain on your
No, no.
parade, but
It's okay.
my favorite word in something like in Japanese was wabi sabi.
Wabi sabi, yeah, it's a
Wabi
nice word.
sabi.
wasabi होता है.
It's imperfect, it's incomplete or imperfect beauty in that
Yeah,
sense.
so it's you find beauty in imperfection. So one of the things that he used to do is like I think we spoke about it, where अगर suppose तेरे घर पे एक pot है, ठीक है, और वो टूट गया, अपन क्या करते हैं, फेंक देते हैं. उन लोग वो नहीं करते हैं. उन लोग they try and put the pot together, but they sort of mold it together with gold. So you see a pot, it's fully broken, now put together, but with gold, and it has another.
So that word is kintsugi. Kintsugi leads to wabi sabi.
Wabi-sabi,
Kintsugi
yeah.
is putting things together with like gold and
Yeah.
silver, and then it becomes wabi sabi. Or wabi sabi is just imperfect. It can be
Yeah.
it can be things that
No, it's finding beauty in imperfections.
yeah.
Finding
Then
beauty
there's
in
also
imperfection.
mono no aware it's aware
मैं नहीं आ
in
रहा.
English. But
आवारे
it-
लोग.
Dude, this fuck. What is this translation?
Mono
The
avare means a
poignancy-
single avara.
No, it's
Huh.
mono no avare.
It's
So not even a single.
मैं हूँ आशिक.
So
As
this is
mono avara.
वारा.
Hey, listen, guys. Since we're
The-
on this topic, I have to tell you this. Okay, there is
Can I
a
tell you the
term
meaning of
for
this
what.
word?
Hey, wait, उसका meaning तो होने दे.
हाँ, बोल.
the meaning of this word is the poignancy and sadness of transient things.
Oh Lord, that's
Wow.
a Rupi Kaur poem.
Wow.
तू
Dude, it's
सोच
so
ना,
good.
ये इंग्लिश पब्लिक एक दूसरे को ये 16 वर्ड यूज करके बोल रहे हैं और दूसरा उधर वो बोल रहे हैं मोनो रेबी. समझ
No,
गए?
no,
अच्छा,
avare.
नहीं सॉरी मोनो नो आवारे.
But wait, one
Mono
second.
no
I have to tell you this.
मोनो आवारे. हाँ.
What we just did, there is a term for it. It's called
Yeah, it's called-
definition.
It's called over talking.
No, it's called hilarious.
That's literally what you did to Kautuk right now. हाँ.
Yeah. So this thing is called definition. Definition is a pun format involving the reinterpretation of an existing word on the basis that it sounds like another word.
Nice.
So-
like lavere.
लावेवू
Avare.
Lavevu
We've been
or-
doing that the whole
जावेवू
episode.
और आवेवू.
They have given a example here called lobster, which is a weak tennis player. Get it? Because lobster.
Oh, I
Then,
thought
Then here's another one. Aperitif, a set of dentures.
Oh, really?
Aperitif. Why?
I thought it was, but you know usually
And what is the
Aperitif.
aperitivo? What is the aperitivo then? Italian, the वो जो खाने where you like you have a drink and like starters. वो क्या होता है बाबा?
appetizer.
Aperitif. No, aperitif is at the end of the
Aperitivo.
meal.
No. So aperitif.
Aperitivo.
You're
The-
talking.
the
You're
pun
talking
is-
about an amuse bouche, and
No,
then
the
there's
pun
aperitif
is-
at the end. Huh?
Baba, the pun is aperitif is pronounced as a pair of teeth. Get it? That's
Oh,
why.
so what is this? Some
A
Scottish
pair of-
fucking
oh.
Irish
No,
person talking.
so okay. Guess this. What is the definition of euthanasia?
Youth in Asia.
Yes.
Yeah, but
Yes. Teenagers in the world's largest continent. Then, okay. Consumption of an expensive meal. It's Fortune 8. Fortune 8.
नहीं, but you know, going back to French language का most words are used to describe what do you call food stuff and anything to do with ballet. सबसे ज़्यादा French use करते
balle
हैं.
balle.
Ballet
Yeah,
ballet
it's
जब
like the same now. वही Eskimo and Hawaiians वाला चक्कर है. But all these countries like different. Now we have been talking about things like the Japanese made up like they've condensed it to like an entire feeling that 10 line लगेगी English में समझाने उन लोग ने एक में किया है. But the same shit that we do like onomatopoeia like in India like in Bengali you don't say moo for a cow. Like गाय moo बोलती नहीं. In Bengali it's hamba. That's the sound a cow would make. Thai owls are never said who, they never go hoot. It's hook.
ये लड़का मेरे सामने मेरा दिन जाए जा.
So a lot of fun stuff here. Like basically like snap, crack and pop. Snap, crackle and pop in German is CRISPR, Knasper and Knusper.
सही बात. क्या बात है? Other.
There is
Very good German. मेरे को German जब भी जैसे तू बोलेगा ना German, the first thing that comes to my head is Rammstein doing Du hast. ठीक है? That was my
First thing that
first.
comes to my mind is Wolfenstein. वो जब बैठ के जाके हिटलर को मारना होता था जाके. वो गेम याद है तुम लोगों को?
नहीं
Oh yeah,
Wolfenstein.
Wolfenstein. Yeah, I know.
मैं रोड रैश खेल रहा था मेरे को याद है.
Wolfenstein.
Wolf 3D.
Wolfenstein नहीं खेला.
Yeah.
I think that was the first person shooter which got super.
The first person shooter game I played was Metal Gear Solid.
Oh नहीं, तू तो
You
बहुत
missed
बाद
out
में.
on Wolfenstein. It was crazy.
Wolfenstein, Doom.
Dude, you had to kill those dogs, which was just so
Oh
heartbreaking.
God.
Oh fuck! I just remembered that Baba talking about Japanese words where they've concised the feeling into just one word. One of the other favorites that I had was ikigai. Ikigai is the reason why you wake up every morning.
It's a guy who's
Ikigai.
It's an
Ikigai तो एक ही guy.
Okay, guys, apparently, so all along I thought that the longest word in the world was
Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
No. It was pneumono ultramicroscopic silicovolcanic coniosis is what I thought it was. Apparently,
Floxy, Noxy,
the
Helipilification.
longest no that is 45 letters pneumono. The one you're talking about Floxy is 29. Anyway, the point is the longest word in the world in English apparently that I've just sort of found while I was looking it up is a word that has 189,819 letters and it takes 3.5 hours
Oh, I thought days.
to say the word.
What?
Okay,
What is this?
yes.
Okay.
I'm
Just-
looking at it right
Just
now.
start it.
Yeah.
Okay,
We don't have
okay.
the whole podcast.
Yeah, agreed. So
We'll do a separate
apparently-
podcast just saying the word. We'll take sections of it.
Yeah. We'll do 3 parts of that podcast.
That's funny.
Yeah.
So apparently, the word is it starts with it's methi.
What?
It's METHIONYLTREONL. It's basically a chemical composition
I
Of-
thought as much.
of titin, okay, which is the largest known protein. Okay.
I thought it was whey. WHEY. बहुत simple है.
And it's the
It's the
longest
largest
known word.
consumed protein.
It is the longest known word overall by magnitudes. Attempts to say the entire word have taken 2 to 3.5 hours to pronounce.
Listen.
Eminem
okay.
एक घंटे में कर देगा.
The longest published word, however, is the chemical name for E. coli, which is the 1,909 words.
No, 1 second, Baba. We have to stop and talk about these words because someone was writing them down, and at some point he should have realized that he has to stop.
No,
Like, this is-
because
I
the
think
chemical
the guy was
compositions.
writing it down, fell
But the problem
asleep,
with-
and he just said his head fell on the laptop, and वो पूरी रात ऐसे करते करते और फिर उसने send पे दबा दिया, and then he's too
जब किसी ने उसको उठाया
he's too embarrassed to say कि यार sorry मैंने गलती मैं सो गया. ऐसे हाँ यही है.
No, but the
Are you sure? क्योंकि इसमें 48 लिखा है. Numerically. Yeah,
pneumono ultra microscopic whatever. But no. 1 sec. Here's the thing. So when you come to 45, which is pneumono, which is probably the longest word in a major dictionary, the third longest word is 183 letters, which is a fictional dish of food. It was coined by a major author, and it is the longest word ever to appear in literature. But the longest published word is the chemical name for E. coli. So the reason why the top two words are chemical names is because you have to combine the chemical composition of these things, right? A chemical compound is made with many chemicals, and therefore the largest known protein has the longest, like.
और उसमें मेथी है.
उसमें
वो
मेथी.
उसमें
It
मेथी
starts
है.
with methi. In fact, the first two start with methi, and it's the wrong.
अरे भाई
spelling for
मेथी
only.
मेथी खाइए सब मेथी खाइए.
And then the last word was in Greek, which I said, and then after that it is.
It's चंदू को चाची को चांदनी रात में चांदनी चौक में चांदनी की दाल में चटनी चटाई चटनी चटाई.
Which is the disease. Then there is supercalifragilistic. Then there is.
Thank you Adar, only thank you for completing. क्योंकि उस दिन कोई गा रहा था, ठीक है, वो वाला जो गाना है ना, Who are you? और वो गाना जैसे खत्म हुआ मैंने बोला चंदू की चाची चटनी चटाई. Finally got it. Okay, sorry. But speaking
also
about
there's
German.
Scottish words are also very difficult to pronounce. Like that town, there's a town in Scotland.
Tune.
It's
not a town.
Lanfair. So you should check it out. I'll give you the link to put in the video you put it up. it's fairly cool.
It's not a town, it's a tune.
It's a tune.
Guys, I need to
So,
share
any-
screen for 1 second because it's just ridiculous how bad this is. Okay, so this is the longest Finnish word.
It's not finished. It's
It
still.
means doubtful, dosto.
Yeah,
it means
doubtful.
I am doubtful about using it.
Because they
yes.
were also like, bro, what is this?
एक बार वापस चालू कर. क्या है? Asparagus क्या लिखा था पहले?
Asparagus. You can't finish it. See?
ए बाबा
ए एपार जार जेसला मस्तला मतून धेलन आणि सकून काहो कोहा. अबे
How is it a Marathi sentence?
this is the most commonly used word in Satara. What are you saying?
Yeah.
No, but
It's
also,
their favorite dish.
during the Euros, when Poland was playing, dude, the Polish players, right? Their names don't have vowels, so it's just Z, Y, W. C,
Abe Blashikovsky.
हाँ,
You know,
exactly.
the only way I could pronounce Blashikovsky is because at some point of time while playing FIFA, they've said Blashikovsky. I said, oh.
That's how you.
और
say it.
मैंने उसको चेंज करके ब्लेस चकाउस्की बना दिया, मालूम है ना?
But this is a thing, right? A lot of languages, like for us, are troublesome. Like Japanese doesn't have plurals or articles. There is no an or the.
Crazy.
So for one, English speakers tend to learn Japanese, they can figure it out because हम लोग ऐसे ही करते हैं ना. Like अभी मैं बैंगलोर में था, I had a friend with me, another comedian, and Uber से बात करते टाइम ना, they're like, हाँ, yes, sir, hotel down, now come. उसको इंग्लिश समझ रहा था, you can speaking. Like we tend to drop all our articles.
But this is a problem. This is a
But
problem.
मेरे साथ ये स्पेन में हुआ, ठीक है? मैं बार्सिलोना में कैब में हूँ और जो कैब है ओनली स्पोक स्पेनिश, ठीक है? मैं उसको जो एड्रेस बोला था वो किधर और लेके गया और फिर मैं उसको बोलने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ कि ब्रो तू गलत जगह पे लेके आया मेरे को, तो वो स्पेनिश बात कर रहा है और मैं उसको बोला नो एस्पानियोल.
Then nada.
Then he started speaking louder. I was like, जितने मेरे को हियरिंग प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, मेरे को अंडरस्टैंडिंग, तू चिल्लाएगा मेरे पे स्पेनिश में थोड़ी मैं समझ जाऊंगा सडनली लैंग्वेज तेरी.
No, but you know, I think you do that in the hope that sometimes you're speaking too fast, which is why people don't get it. And the hope is that if I speak slowly and loudly, then you'll at least get one word that you understand, maybe.
I didn't. He was just angry. चिल्लाना जुदी भी इसके बाद गन निकालेगा तू कहां से?
That's the
No, but we
best.
all do this, right? We all speak like in a foreign country, we all end up speaking incorrectly for some reason. I don't know why we do this,
Yeah.
but we all like end up speaking.
No, that's like you meet white people, you start rolling your R's.
Yeah, you're
Yeah,
trying to reach a like drop down your vocabulary a little bit, ताकि you're at the same level.
No, but sometimes you need to. You need to have a little bit of an accent for them to understand. Otherwise, they don't get it.
They don't get it.
तू अपने जैसे बात करेगा, लावे वो थोड़ी आएगा उनके दिमाग में कुछ.
Lavebu.
You know which is the most translated book in the world?
Bible.
Bible. Yes,
Bible.
it's the Bible. It's the Bible.
2000 कुछ है ना, 2000 something. 2000 languages.
मेरे को exact number नहीं मालूम, but yeah, it's the most translated book in the world. In fact, there's a language called the Basque, which is a language spoken in the Pyrenees Mountains.
By crocodiles.
Huh? Basque.
Funny.
Good.
Funny.
But with them, it has no connection to any known language. बाकी अपने सब derivatives है ना, word तेरे तू कहाँ ना कहाँ पहले तो सुना है. It's a part of no language group and has no connection to any other language.
So ये Basque, so in this region, okay, so it's such a different region in Spain that just the language and culture has affected the football teams also. Like they don't, when they compete against say Real Madrid or something, na, these Basque clubs, उनका extra होता है because we want to defeat the proper Spanish people. Like it's like that. So Basque, the Barcelona side, Catalans, all of those. So it's interesting. Like you can access a country even through sport. It's wild.
Crazy, yeah, for sure. For sure. Ek tha, bro, we'll have to look out for that. There was a language. Yeah, it's called the La Gomera language, which is spoken off the coast of Spain, and it consists entirely of whistles. So udhar eve teasing is regular conversation.
No,
Hey, how is he speaking like that to you? No, वो मेरे को hi बोल रहा है.
it could also be like a session of border or something. No, where it's like वो border में था ना वो scene.
हाँ, जो सीटी मारते हैं.
हाँ.
Oh shit! I
So
found something really interesting about Hindi.
Are you sure?
Yeah, Hindi was not called Hindi initially. The language itself, the name of it was not Hindi, and it has changed over time and different eras. But what was the first one? And it's completely different. Like I'm surprised that there's no remnant of the original name. It was called Apa Brahmsa
When it
at its
started,
early,
Brahmi.
yeah, Apa Brahmsa at its earliest stage.
Because
It
it
has
was what,
nothing
like
to.
from like a derivative of Sanskrit and something or something
Indo
like that.
Indo
Yeah,
Aryan
so
group of languages.
no, so Kalidas, who was the Sanskrit scholar and the playwright in ancient India, composed a romantic play called Vikra Mor Vishyam in Aprabhamsa in 400 AD. So he actually wrote in that language, like because there were, of course, since the name has changed, there were also dialect changes in the actual Hindi language. So I'm sure that the original one would have been different. The original Hindi might have been quite different.
So this is a fact about one of the most widely spoken languages. Okay. So Chinese
Hmm.
has,
Mandarin.
yeah, it has the most similar sounding words, which is why it is extremely difficult to learn it for non-native speakers, because you don't just have to differentiate between words and sound combinations, you also have to add in tones. So depending on the tone of the word, it's two different words altogether.
Hmm.
So which is why it goes
Like
high.
with the
But
intensity in.
don't you think the tone will
That
make a difference?
shoes
Like
was
anyway, Panchot, Panchot, वो भी होता है ना?
no, but the English, but even in
But
English, it's like the word fine. It's like fine, do it.
Hmm.
yeah,
Fine.
Fine, do it.
huh,
Like there's
but it's like if you said fine, and then if you said fine, then the second fine would mean chair and the first would mean moon. Like that.
And
Oh.
funnily enough, in Indonesia, air means water and water means air.
the word is that.
Jebat.
I don't know if it's flipped. I don't know.
Akshay
I mean,
Kumar
but,
meme.
but guys, we did this. But guys, we did this where we spoke about how susu is milk in a country and things like that.
हाँ, वो तो है, वो तो जोक पड़े हुए इतने सारे. तू मलेशिया जाएगा, टॉयलेट इज तंडास.
Tandas.
So it's so close to sandas, but it's not sandas. Toilet is tandas.
No, Indonesia,
Tandas.
all these places, Malaysia have a lot of Indian influence. No?
मेरे को
Indonesia, Jakarta.
मेरे को जानना है कि रशियन लैंग्वेज में एक वो वर्ड है ना जो एक जीरो है और उसके बीच में दो डंडी मारा है, वो क्या है? उनका हर तीसरा वर्ड वो है, लेकिन वो है क्या?
What is it? A diphthong? Is that what it's
Vodka.
called, Baba?
No, I
What
don't
word
think that's
is-
a diphthong.
What
But I know the
word
one.
is? I
I know
don't
with. I know the
understand.
letter. I know the letter with U and two dots, which is the umlaut on top. But that's a German thing.
That is
So-
Odzil.
Yeah, yeah.
No. The
No,
umlaut
but
is the two dots.
Ozil is that is Turkish.
No,
Hmm.
not entirely.
हाँ, वो अर्धा टर्की से.
आधा टर्किश है. अभी
हाँ.
पूरा टर्किश हो गया, but वो अलग बात है.
गया बेचारे. Sorry, Arsenal.
Okay, guess what is the most commonly used word in the English language?
Commonly used word. Sorry.
One sec. I think it would be. No, but that's not too many people saying God, oh my God. No, so that's not.
Oh
it.
my God, Baba! Taking a flight again.
वाह. क्या क्या आईटीसी सोनार में तू वो बात करता है बहुत.
No.
it is-
One sec. I'm just trying to think. One sec. Just give hint. No, give hint.
Okay, I'll tell you what. It's a very selfish word.
Me.
No,
Me.
close. It's
No.
I.
No. I.
I.
So that's the most and oh, here's an interesting one. Okay, the word girl was once gender neutral. At one point during the evolution of the English language, girl meant child or young person rather than indicating a specific gender.
Dude,
Oh,
there
wow.
are so many of these, dude. Also, I have a feeling that the word the would be more than I.
No, you are completely underestimating how much people love themselves.
Yeah.
More than any
I would
other
agree with
object
you.
or
I
other
would agree
subject.
with you, Baba, but I feel that I have more knowledge about this
Yeah.
topic than you do, and that's why I am right. मैंने ये पूरे इसमें द बोला ही नहीं है, गांडू. लेकिन 4 बार I बोला.
Okay. Also, what is the longest word without any without a single vowel?
Oh, rhythm.
Yes.
Rhythms.
अरे ये तो क्विज में पढ़ा था मैंने किधर, मेरे को याद है.
Rhythms. And one way of so this uncle of mine had taught me, one way of remembering how to spell rhythms is he imagined he was being he says the you can break it down into red hot you two-headed monster.
But why do you have to?
Once again,
why-
is that easier to remember the word rhythm?
No, because I'll tell you why. I'll tell you why. Because the minute he said that, I pictured that thing, and I can say it right now. You wake me up from my sleep, and I'll be like, "Red hot, you two-headed monster." So
Wow, तो उसके पहले rhythm क्या RITH
yeah,
IM लिखना
where do you
था.
put the Y? It could be anywhere.
But you know, if you speak Chinese, you're using both sides of your brain, guys. Anybody who's speaking Chinese,
Yes,
English
that's also because
English वाले सिर्फ left use कर रहे हैं.
But that's also because
Sale,
Chinese a lot of
leftist.
time is. I think also it's because Chinese are. They also have like symbols that. So it's
Yin
not
and
just
yang.
about
The calligraphy.
speaking. It's
So
not
the
just
calligraphy
speaking, it's
involved
also-
engages your.
It's not just speaking. It's also like
Pictorial.
reading and stuff. Like if you know Chinese,
Yeah.
I think you use both sides of your brain. Because
अच्छा, one thing about
Mandarin,
why
sorry.
all these languages हम लोग को गुस्सा आता है ना, like English में tough and enough. Oh, the anger about it's the exact same letters in the same order, but they're pronounced very differently. वो जो गुस्सा आता है. I think I might have found the reason why Indian languages are written exactly as they're spoken. So apparently, Indian writing came to India much later than the other parts of the world. That's why Tamil and Sanskrit have very strong like oral traditions. That's why it's all spoken. That's why they used to remember all fathers used to pass all our cultures, religious things also were passed orally to one another and yaad karke rakhte the. There were no written this, and that came later on. And when it did come, it was written exactly as it is pronounced. So maybe we had a better like it came from need more than like wanting to do it. And all these people decided to write first. That's why French is so complicated as far as like written versus speaking.
Yeah, because in French, okay, VINCENT, Vincent. French में पता है क्या है वो?
Vincent.
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 It used to blow my mind when we started speaking French and she's saying Vincent, ऐसे नहीं गलत क्यों pronounce कर रही है Vincent को? देख लगती थी वो French teacher है, वो गलत नहीं pronounce कर रही है, तू कर रहा है.
Guys,
And it's-
I'm sorry. but I
Peter was
right.
Pierre.
Guys, I was right. The is the most spoken English language word.
I don't agree.
Hey man, not according to
I
redbookmag.com.
also don't agree.
I don't give a fuck. The is and
And
I
Redbook
mean,
doesn't give a fuck about you,
I
Baba.
absolutely don't care about what I am saying is absolutely correct, and I feel that this is true. No, the
Okay, but Baba, what is the point if it is?
I don't. I was.
क्या
just
तू जीता कुछ?
So
बिल्कुल नहीं.
Geeta,
Okay.
right? Adu.
listen to this, okay? In English, we follow this
Mhm.
complicated adjective rule without even realizing it. Okay, so this is this is one of those weird English rules that we never break, even though we've probably never been explicitly taught it. When describing something, there's a very specific order in which your adjectives go. That order is opinion, size, age, shape, color, origin, material, purpose. Okay, which
Purpose
why-
is last.
Once
Yeah.
go again. Go again. Go again.
Opinion, size, age, shape, color, origin, material, purpose. Okay, I'll give you a sentence. It's why you say, look at that square, adorable little purple butterfly. It'll never sound as good as look at that adorable little square purple butterfly.
Oh, firstly, I would not say square purple butterfly ever. मैं कभी butterfly देख के उसको square नहीं बोला है.
तू butterfly
But
देख के
But I
भागता
still
है.
think
मैंने
I
देखो
think
देखा है,
adorable
तू
does sound
butterfly से
better
डरता है,
first.
बाप.
If you have adorable first. I
No,
think
so that's why you're
But
right.
if you-
the second
ah.
sentence is correct. The first sentence is wrong. So square, adorable little purple butterfly is wrong. The correct is look at that adorable little square purple butterfly.
correct. That's what I was thinking. Okay.
So adjectives come first, right?
No,
Look-
so all are adjectives, but the order is opinion, size, age, shape, color, origin, material, purpose.
Yeah.
Interesting.
What was the last one? Hey, by the way, this is a great fact. You would think that I'm really sorry, but like you would think that onomatopoeic words would travel through languages because they sound like what they are sounding, right? Like
Kurram
you
karram.
think that, like yeah, kuram kuram or ting tong or whatever it is, right?
Ding dong.
But apparently, it's not true. Like for example, snap, crackle, pop, which are
No,
is a
but
baseline-
Baba, that's not
This is something
onomatopoeic.
I just said
It is,
like
na?
15 minutes ago, Baba, in this podcast. You're
What?
literally repeating.
What did you say?
Like I said, cow is not moo moo. Cow is not moo moo, and in Bengali it's called hamma.
But
And I literally said this
No,
crackle back in
You're talking about
German.
you're talking about the sound that they make. All I'm trying to say is that the word itself. So it's not or moo moo in terms of the spelling. That's not what I mean. I mean that the concept of the word crackle is a crackle.
Great
is an
chocolate. It's a great chocolate.
but
Have
it's
it.
an onomatopoeic word. It's not. It didn't mean anything before things crackled. So,
Correct.
but that doesn't translate in Germany. It's not crackle.
Yeah.
It's not, because it's not even crackle when it actually happens. There's no way to actually describe that perfect sound of a crackle.
It is crackle.
No, but it's the same. It's the same
No.
example, right? That car
For
horns.
them, it's no longer a crackle, right?
yeah,
Yeah. So
They've associated that word with that sound.
you know, in car horns, say in Turkey, right? अपन कैसे करेंगे? अपन beep 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 बोलेंगे ना? तो उधर है डुट डुट. Like snip 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 snip. Would English speakers would use snip snip as for, you know, to communicate cutting scissors, right? But in Japanese it's
Why are
chocky
you
chocky.
cutting? But why are you cutting scissors?
hilarious.
Just ऐसे.
So no, but the best example of this is in the West for shooting something you call bang bang, but in India it's so beautiful.
Dishum.
It's dishkyao.
Or dishum. Or dishum is punch. Sorry.
Yeah, dishkyao.
Ah,
What a
dishkyao.
beautiful fucking. It's perfect.
देखो
Thai,
देखो.
Thai,
actually do
Thai,
that,
Thai.
right? There was a guy who used to stand in front of a mic while recording, like doing the sound effects and Foley. Just
Yeah.
There's a guy who used to do that. That was his job with movies.
But you remember that really lame joke in childhood that we laughed a lot at? It was about the sounds that different things make, but if you use words instead of that sound. So it would be like, if you take a bomb and you throw it, it goes bencho. You remember?
No.
And helicopter was fuck, 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 fuck. Sorry, the ambulance was bencho, bencho. वैसे था और बहुत हंसते थे. Yeah, true story. अबे उसके बाद कॉमेडियन बन गए ना चेंज करने के लिए पूरा.
Okay.
It's
So the English language is full of contronyms. So you've heard of synonyms. Contronyms are words that have two opposite meanings. For
It's
instance,
the same word.
Yeah. For instance, the word clips means both to attach together and to cut apart.
Yeah.
So you clip something apart.
Hmm.
Weather is another one, which can either mean wear away or to withstand. So you weather something and it got weathered away.
But there are so many of these now that like just mean like different things. Like for example, like what is that? What is it called when the words, like for example, you have palindromes where a word spelled both ways, right?
Both ways.
again,
Tenet.
which is Malayalam.
Yeah,
Tenet.
but but there's also words that like look the same when you turn them around. Like the word
Oh, like a
swim.
mirror.
Hey,
No,
mirror.
yeah.
That is Tenet. Tenet. You see it in the mirror. Also, it has that only, na same T.
No.
Exact
Wait 1
same.
minute. No. There's also like a what is it called? It's called something like if you take the word swim, for example, if you see swim upside down, it'll still look like swim, right? It's called ambigram. It's called an ambigram because SWIMS. When
Oh,
you,
so you're talking about not this. You're not talking about a mirror.
okay.
You're talking about this.
I'm talking about that. Yeah, it's an ambigram.
Yeah.
If you flip it upside down, that's such a cool concept. And also there was something about a palindrome ka ulta, which was a what is it called? Yeah. When for example a palindrome is the same word spelled back, but if a word spelled backwards forms another word, right? Then it's called a semordnilap or something like that. Okay, which is basically the ulta of palindrome. Funnily, and like for example, pots, if it's spelled backwards, is stop. So that's a that's the opposite of palindrome also.
And you have words that, you know, we have this habit that in Hindi we always do where हम लोग दो rhyming words बोलेंगे, like अरे तूने खाना वाना खाया क्या?
Yeah.
खाना ठीक है लेकिन वाना क्या है? You know, गाना दारू शारू. We always do that. Then you have words in English. words in English that have no rhyming words, like silver, bulb, angel, month, husband, wolf, purple, hungry, and wasp.
Yeah.
I thought
They have-
orange was also on it.
Huh?
Orange.
No,
but,
but
then,
then- but then-
Eminem
yeah.
destroyed people with it. Somebody said you can't rhyme with orange, and Eminem went into a rant making up shit that rhymes with orange on the spot.
Yeah, he started, or one of the words was door hinge.
And it was like, holy shit, this guy managed to do it. And he did it off the cuff.
So there's a philosopher called Ludwig Wittgenstein who wrote
Great quote.
He wrote about language, and he says that basically it's a matter. Language is basically, in most cases, the meaning of a word is its use. So it doesn't exist in a vacuum. It exists within the language and within how you use it and how people understand it. That's what the meaning of a language is. So he says that communication on this model involves using conventional terms in a way that is recognized by a linguistic community. If people don't understand you, you're basically, even if you're talking correctly, it doesn't fucking matter. So he says that if a lion could talk, we should not be able to understand him. Wittgenstein argued because the language games of lions are too different from our own to permit understanding. So
Yeah, this same guy, by the way, Ludwig Wittgenstein, also had a beautiful quote. He said that if we spoke a different language, we would perceive in a somewhat different world.
yeah, that's what that lack of tomorrow and the
Yeah,
syntax
Han
and all of that.
and yeah.
So for
Yeah,
example,
so
like
that's very important in wordplay, right? I feel like, and I'm speaking from a comedic point of view, because I was watching, I went for a movie, and I'm watching it in subtitles, but I am watching it with an audience that is like, it was a French movie, and the French audience was laughing at stuff. I'm laughing at the situations, but there were points where I just didn't get anything, and the theater is losing their shit. And this guy goes, no, because that word that he said in that sentence sounds like another phrase in French, which is and it's our basic wordplay, something that we would do in English or Hindi.
and you're
So
absolutely No, you're absolutely right, because Wittgenstein has said the same thing. He said that he once said that serious and good philosophical works could be written consisting entirely of jokes, because that's like jokes basically point out the cracks of language, where language fails to explain something, or you can see that there's a fault here because there's a misunderstanding. So he said that, and the other thing about this is, like, for example, in India, right, there is a culture of reverence for elder people, which is why we have segregations of the word you, right? We have tum, aap, tu, right? In English, there is no
tu, tum, aap.
Yeah, tu, tum, aap. So in English, it's just you. So which is why the culture is more of like, of whatever. You don't have reverence for elders just for the sake of it. So now there was one section where we were talking about words that don't have any translations. So there is a word for that. It is called eunoia. Okay, and if
which language is it in? Which language is it in?
I have no fucking idea, because there is a beautiful website called eunoia.world, where you can find a list of these words. And one of my favorite words on this list is, are you ready? It is an Indonesian word called desus, and it means the quiet, smooth sound of somebody farting, although not very loudly.
आप
सबने निकाला है।
अरे सब लोग ने एक ना एक डेसूस तो किया ही है ब्रो। ओ डेसूस से डूस आया है क्या? अरे उसने डूस मारा। Possible.
So this is one thing I'd like to recommend. The second thing I'd like to recommend is a book by Douglas Adams, the writer of Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy. He's written a book called The Meaning of Life and The Deeper Meaning of Life. Both of these books are books containing
LIFF, right?
Liff is LIFF. And these are books where he has made up words for emotions or verbs. So for example, he's made up a word, I don't know what it is, but he's made up a word for that feeling when you open the fridge door and you forget what you want. So that experience.
Yeah. But he is...
Dude, there's one more. Bawa, there's one more. You'll love this. It's when you sit on a seat that has been warmed by somebody else.
Hmm.
You know, when you sat in a rickshaw that's just been vacated by somebody and you can feel their warmth and you're like, oh.
Yeah. Unless you're in a super cold place. In that case, you're like, oh, fuck, thank God.
Oh, nice.
So he has categorized all these experiences and given words. So if you
Dude,
want,
he's
check that
too
out.
good,
It's
dude. I
fun.
even remember, I think the baseline of it was this book will, so the meaning of live, this book will change your life. I think that's what
Yeah.
the baseline was. Because it's how I got attracted to the Hitchhiker's Guide, right? Like Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, the blue cover, the original OG blue cover.
Yeah.
It said the Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, and under it said a trilogy in 4 parts.
Yeah.
I have lost my mind. Like I
Yeah.
was like, what? It was so, and it's totes worth it. Totes worth it.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Notes. Okay. On that note,
that
that's
note.
the end of this episode of the Internet Set. So we were discussing different languages. Okay, here's another thing, guys. A lot of y'all keep asking timestamp डालो ये डालो तो तुम लोग भी मेहनत करो जब भी तुम लोग देख रहे हो पॉडकास्ट अगर तुमको कोई पार्ट अच्छा लगा तो उधर लिख लेना जैसे बाबा लिखता है कि 8:01 to 9:45 they spoke about something और डाल दो कमेंट में. इट्स वेरी सिंपल. ये क्राउड
people
करके भी
already do that. People already do that. There is
No, they
also-
do it largely for Salmon Bhai. Okay, that's
Yeah.
at 45:33 they mention Salmon Bhai.
Join the
Lekin,
Discord. Join the Discord server. On the Discord server, there are people who share.
Arey, but I
lists
would do that
constantly.
if
Someone told you what Discord
Okay,
was.
I tell you what. Let's because we haven't mentioned him throughout the podcast. Let's do one thing. Okay, just this is for our viewers.
Words that Salmon has invented.
No, so,
Frisch.
no. Give us an alternate meaning for salmon. Okay, the word salmon. Okay, and my meaning of the word salmon is you do whatever you want. Okay, so whenever I
Whatever
want to
you
say that,
want,
it is,
guys.
So I give you permission to salmon. Okay,
Yeah.
so that is the usage of the word. So put it in the,
So it's
in the comment.
a verb.
Yeah, for me it is.
It's a verb. Okay.
Yeah.
what will be the semordnilaps of Salmon? Normless. Normless.
No.
Good. It doesn't mean anything.
Mm.
Okay, good. That's it from this episode. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you again next week.
Guys, Hyderabad का tickets खरीद लो link में.
कान के नीचे मारो
चलना बस करना बाबा